Hello. Good morning. Is Albert there? This is Al. Al, this is Bob. What are you doing? Bob, I'm sleeping. What time is it? It's 8 a.m. Time to rise and shine. 8 a.m.? Huh. Oh no! I'll be late for work. No, 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 no. Today's Saturday. You do not have to work today. Oh, Saturday. Yeah, that's right. No work today. Oh, that's good. Hey, are you free today? Huh? Today is Saturday. Yeah, I'm free. Would you like to do something together today? That sounds good. What do you want to do? I don't know. What do you want to do? I don't know either. Huh? Why don't you come to my house and we'll think of something? Okay, I'll be there in about an hour. Okay, see you later. See ya, Al. Hello, who is it? It's me, Bob. Hey, Bob. Come on in. I've been waiting for you. Hi, how are you? I'm okay. Yeah, I'm still a little bit sleepy. I haven't had my coffee yet. I understand. Do you want something to drink? Do you have any fresh squeezed orange juice? Oh no, I'm out of orange juice. Would you like some grape juice? Grape juice? Yeah, that would be great. Oh, sorry. Out of grape juice, too. Well, that's too bad. Have you had breakfast yet? No, have you? No, I haven't. Are you hungry? Yes, I am. Let's go out and get something to eat. Okay, that sounds good. My aunt has a breakfast shop near here. Great, let's go there. Okay, let's go. Hi.
Ow, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you. And you?
I'm doing good. Who's your friend?
Oh, this is Bob. We went to school together. Bob, this is Juanita. Hi, nice to meet you, Juanita.
Hi, nice to meet you too.
You have a beautiful smile.
Thank you. You're not that handsome, but you look okay.
Wow, thanks. Juanita, is my aunt here?
No, she isn't. She should be in around 10. Here are some menus.
Thank you.
Can I get you anything to drink?
I'll have a coffee, please.
Okay. Would you like sugar and milk?
I like my coffee black.
Okay, 1 black coffee.
I'll have fresh squeezed orange juice, please.
We don't have any orange juice. I'll be right back.
Bob, isn't that Michelle? Michelle who? Michelle Lavin. We all went to school together. Here she comes. Hi, hey Michelle.
Hi, how can I help you?
It's me, Al. We went to school together.
Ah, right, Al and... Oh my god! Bob Wheatley! Bob, I haven't seen you in years. How are you?
I'm fine, and you?
Oh, I miss you so much. Wow!
Thank you.
I thought I would never see you again.
Some surprise.
Oh, you bet. How's your life? Are you married?
No, I'm not married yet.
So you're single then?
Free and single. How about you? Are you working?
Yeah, I have a shop at the mall.
Really? What do you sell?
Well, it's a mobile phone shop, so I sell mobile phones and accessories at the mall.
Hey, Bob and I are gonna go see a movie at the mall today.
Interesting. Anyways.
And Bob is gonna buy a phone today.
Really? Well, then you can come to my shop.
What's your shop called?
It's called Ring Me.
I know that shop. Where is it?
It's on the 3rd floor at the mall.
Okay.
Yeah, well, I'm sorry, but I have to go now. I hope to see you later, Bobby.
See you too.